Siman Yod Sif Beis. The time that you're supposed to put on tefillin in the morning is the time that you're able to recognize your friend at a distance of 4 amos away in the morning. So in the early morning outside, if you're able to recognize your friend at a distance of Dalad amos, that is the time that you're able to put on tefillin. Now you're supposed to put on your tefillin only after you put on your talis, and the reason that you put on the talis first is that since the inyan of putting on a talis is connected to the mitzvah of tzitzis, and the mitzvah of tzitzis comes up more often than the mitzvah of tefillin. For example, on Shabbos and on Yom Tov, we wear tzitzis even though we do not wear tefillin. So therefore, we can fall back on one of the major klalim that tader v'she'enei tader kaidim. Now, whatever comes up more often, that's supposed to take precedence when you come to do mitzvahs. Now, what happens if when you are reaching for your talis, you end up touching your tefillin first? So if you touch your tefillin first, in that situation, you should put on your tefillin before your talis. And the reason for that is because of another klal that we have, that ein ma'virin ala mitzvahs. We do not pass over mitzvahs. So if we first touch the tefillin, we first put on the tefillin and then only afterwards the talis. And that's why some people make sure that their tefillin is in deeper in the bag than their talis, so that when they first open their bag, they first hit their talis and they put on the talis, and only after you put on the tefillin.